Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to set NVIDIA as a default graphics card. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now to set NVIDIA as a default graphics card, first of all go to search and search for NVIDIA control panel. And click on this NVIDIA control panel over here. After that, you'll find this interface. Now go to this Manage 3D Settings, click on this, and over here you'll find this Preferred Graphics Processor. Over here you will see Auto Select, that means our system is selecting automatically the graphics card. So to set NVIDIA as a default graphics processor, click on this drop down and select this High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Click on this and now apply. So in this way, we can set NVIDIA as our default processor. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.